Welcome back to another episode. Today we're just gonna start harvest. We are gonna go get the cleaners warmed up and ready and head down to the field here. So yeah, we might get to some silage in today. I am not sure. Hit the grain trucks. Yeah. We are gonna start on, let's see here, let's do our thing here. We can start on 20. We'll do 2026. Let's turn on to stress. So we can get we will get this lined up here. We'll make our way down to field 20. I guess we'll see you guys when we get there. We are here over the field. That's it. You're finally back. Yeah, I think that's just for just could be nice and simple, maybe. Pull over here. Alright, guess we'll get everything up and I'll be extra. Oh, we just got over here and we will start on this field now. Yeah. We'll go back. We'll get hard and work on this. we'll get going here. We might do some silaging while they're at that. Or we can do... can actually maybe start baling soon. He's ready to cut it off right now, so yeah, we'll just head over here and yeah. Alright, that's better. That's more realistic. Yeah, just yeah, let's get the grain truck and I'll send it over there. Yeah. And then we'll grab, yeah. Yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing all episode. Corn harvest, maybe some baling and shut off, you guys. Alright. Oh, we'll turn it back on again. Oop. Ooh. What is up with this truck? Forward. That's it shoots forward. That's weird. No, we'll go grab Grandpa's truck, I guess. Yeah, I'll see you when we get everything ready here. Alright, we got the baler out, and yeah, we'll head over and we'll check on the combines. Now, so good, yeah. We're gonna get the silage chopper actually too. Oh yeah, I did forget to tell you guys, we got a stacker, and we're only going to use it for hay, because we got a lot of hay. More hay than straw, so we'll use the stacker for hay, but we'll just use it for I still need to figure out how to fix those. We will do some we'll get to some check not much stuff. He's going over there. Don't know what he's doing that. This is what he's doing. We'll be up looking. I'm not sure what we're gonna do first. Let's just check. Make sure what's coordinates and and just check the map here. We'll do 21 to that strip there. We'll do 15 and a little bit of 17. Probably all of it, maybe. And I think that's what we'll silage here. So I guess we'll start with 21, and then we'll move to 15, and then we'll do 17 last. Yeah, I think that's what we'll do. Well, truck here, just maybe pick up that. We'll leave that there, and we'll across here, and give it to the silage chopper and bring it up here. I like the silage chopper that we have here. It's a good silage chopper. Yeah. She's definitely pushing her up that much, especially when I put her on the full level. To see if we could pick up the field here. Go without. Yeah. She is random, that's for sure. And just do that until the combine's full. Definitely screaming like, wow. It is a loud tractor, that's for sure. Just keep the map up here, yeah. That looks like, oh wow. Yeah, it's for sure. He is full, I think. As well. I'm all the way back here. We could cut grass like that, so I guess we could cut these ones actually. Field 68, that's going to be a big grass field, that's for sure. I'm planning to turn 15 after we silage it into. Turn it into grass too, or alfalfa. Turn to alfalfa. Oh, yeah. There's definitely big straws though. Like, there's a lot here happening, and we also will need a dozer too, so we can push all those bales in the silage bin. So we're gonna get this. It's fine. Yeah, as well. Let's see what dozers we have actually here. Nothing we want there. I don't think we have a lot of dozer mods. Yeah, I don't think we have a lot of dozer mods. That's kind of the problem. Oh wait. Yeah, no, that's gonna be too expensive. There is a stagger mod, but it's gonna be way too expensive. Well, we'll do something else. I mean, we have that. We have the Alice. No, it's just small though. run back to the silage chopper and we'll get that going here. She's very loud, that's for sure. We're back on the road here. You can let your turn left. And we're back up. Definitely touch. Basically gonna be what it's gonna be like, I guess. Come back when it's done. So, install it. Just getting. I think this is gonna be another video. Next video, I promise we'll get more done. But for now, silage in, corn harvest at Alien. That's what we have. We will be done in hopefully 3 to 2 videos. So, got this and yeah, I mean, corn in and silage chopper up there, and yeah, I know it's not the end of the video really, but and got other stuff to do, and yeah, but this will be the end of the video, guys. So, no, see ya, bye.